Hey everyone, how's it going? Pat Hamer here, and X-type Jaguar owner, two of them, and so p420 code, catalytic converter efficiency. And so I've talked to so many people that have spent thousands of dollars, a couple of thousand to $2,000, $3,000 to replace their catalytic converter. When here's a $20 part, I think it was 12 or 20 or something like that. It's the heat gauge for the downflow of the catalytic converter. And if you want to look at it here, see what it's done. Look at that. It's been plasma cutter in the engine there. And so I increased the efficiency of the engine by replacing all the sparks, the spark plugs and the coils, and so this went out after I redid the cooling system, air conditioning system, the whole front end. I got a video down there, a time lapse of me just ripping the whole front end off and handling all that stuff at the same time. And then this, put it all back together, and boom, code. Oh, what's going on now? Well, this, it jumped this code, which it wasn't getting before. And I assumed that because I changed the efficiency of the, increased the efficiency with the new plugs, and we got an extra 3 or 4 miles to the gallon too when I changed the plugs and the coils. So that was kind of cool. But anyway, save yourself some money. And this is the downflow of the bank 2 front catalytic converter. And like I say, it's melted. And so it didn't throw a sensor code, it threw the catalytic converter code, And so, I've talked to a few people that have had that, and they assure me their mechanic wants them to replace the whole thing. So, okay, well, never. Anyways, and it may be true, sometimes the catalytic converter does go out, but luckily I got it handled for $20. And my wife just called me. She drove to San Francisco, which is a couple hundred miles away. Yeah, no more, the light didn't come back on, check engine lights off. So it would go on after about 30 or 40 miles, it would come back on when I would reset it. Have a great day. Bye.